Realme 12 Plus is a modern and well-balanced smartphone that offers great features in its budget. The included 6.7-inch AMOLED display provides a great viewing experience, with impressive bright and clear picture quality. Realme 12 Plus uses Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G as the processor, which provides excellent performance, whether you are gaming or multitasking. With 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, you don't have to worry about storage. The camera setup is also quite impressive, with a 108-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. This phone is a great choice for photography enthusiasts. The front camera is also 16 megapixels, which is great for selfies. Talking about the battery, with a large 5000 mAh battery, the Realme 12 Plus provides enough power for the whole day. And with the 67-watt fast charging feature, you won't need to charge frequently.